continue looking at problem number 9, where we are going to write an equation for the following sine or cosine functions. One thing to keep note is when you're writing an equation, the equations are going to be in the form y equals a sine or cosine. I'm just going to use sine b theta. So a is your amplitude, b is your number of cycles between 0 and 2 pi. So part A, a sine function with a greater than 0, so we have no reflection. Amplitude 4, period is 0.5 pi. So our a is equal to 4. Our b is unknown right now. So a common mistake is just to take this period and put it in for b. Well, that is not quite b. b is your number of cycles between 0 and 2 pi. So we're going to take 2 pi and divide it by 0.5 pi, which the pi's cancel out, and 0.5 goes into 2 4 times. So all said and done, we're going to have y is equal to, our amplitude is 4. We're doing a sine function, so 4 sine, 4 theta. Done. So again, you do have to use the period using this formula, 2 pi over period, to find your b value. Over here, we'll look at a cosine function with an amplitude of 3 and a period of pi. And same as before, that period, pi, is not your b value. You got to take 2 pi over pi. Pi's will reduce out. You're left with 2. So that gives us y equals 3 cosine 2 theta. And there would be our two equations.